Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we have this cool, amazing product right here in my hand, as you can see. Basically what this is an intelligent safety design business trip security guard backpack that you can use basically when you guys are at home, in office, going for trips or whatever. You guys can see it's by a brand called Vimdiff. And here's some of the features that's on the product itself. So it has a USB charger slot where you can actually use to charge your devices, just like those smart backpacks or whatever. And then it also has the anti-scratch on here, so it's scratch proof or scratch resistant. It is multifunctional, so you can use it for basically almost any kind of situation that you can possibly think of. But first thing first, let's actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like first and what comes out the package. So when we first open the package itself, you guys can see this is basically what it looks like. So this is the only thing that comes inside the actual package itself. So this is basically what the backpack looks like, if you guys can see right here. So we have the logo right here, as you can see, Vimdiff. The first pocket you can see is right here, as you can see. You guys can actually hide the zipper here, as you can see. So the zipper can actually be hidden like that, so that's actually really cool. When we open up the front part right here, you guys can see that it's actually quite big, and it's actually big enough for you guys to actually put in like your iPads or your tablets or whatever. And then it also has like the two slots inside that you can actually put like multiple stuff in here. So you guys can put something in here, and there's like a little net right there, you guys can see. So you can put something on the other side as well. And then for the second zipper right here, you guys can see that it's actually super spacious. You guys can put a lot of stuff inside. There's a slot right here and a slot right here and a little zipper slot right here that you guys can actually put your cards or whatever you guys want to. They have a little keychain hook that you can actually put your keychains on here or your keys or whatever. You guys have two little slots right here where you can actually put like a pencil or a pen or whatever. But it's definitely really spacious if you guys can see how much room is in there. And that's only the second pocket. Let's open up the biggest pocket, which is the third one right here. So this is the biggest one right here. You guys can see this super spacious. You guys have a padded kind of like slot right here for you guys to put your laptops. And for the laptop slot, it can actually fit up to a 15.6 inch laptop. If you guys have a laptop any bigger than that, then most likely will not fit. They have a little strap right here that will keep the laptop in place, which is pretty cool as well. And then here's another slot right here that you guys can actually put like other stuff as well, like your power bank or whatever. So they do provide you a little cable that you guys can use to plug in your power bank in here, to use the option right here on the side with the USB charger right here. But you guys can see that it's definitely spacious. You guys can put a lot of stuff inside. On the side you guys can see that they have a cushion water bottle slot, one right here and one right here. If you guys take a look at the top part right here, you can see that there's a little handle right here to hold the actual backpack if you guys want to. And right here you can see that there's a little slot right here that you guys can actually hook it on to like a hook or something to hold the backpack up and whatnot. In terms of the strap itself, you guys can see it is breathable material, so it actually will let like air flow throughout your shoulders or your back or whatever when you guys put it on, if you guys can see. So right here and right here. Straps are easy to control and like make it tighter or looser, if you guys can see right here. They have a little luggage strap right here that's actually put onto a luggage, which is pretty cool, if you guys can see right here. If you guys take a look at the bottom right here, it does have an anti-theft pocket, so you can actually put like your wallets or whatever, so people won't know that you guys have a little slot right here. So when we open up, let me show you guys how spacious it is. Alright, so this is how spacious it is and everything. So definitely having this option is definitely really cool, so that way it's like extra security and protection for any kind of stuff that you guys want to put in here, like your wallet, passports, phones, or whatever. Now let me actually put it on to show you guys what the product actually looks like when you guys have it on and everything. So this is basically what it looks like when you guys have it on. So it actually looks like a legit backpack and everything. Really nice kind of design. And having this backpack on definitely give you guys that kind of like professional look on the actual bag itself. So now that we did a quick unboxing and testing of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So I would definitely have to say that this product is worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are going to be using this for like traveling or in the office, going to work. It has a really nice design and everything, super comfortable. It basically has everything that is needed in here, like all the slots and space to put all your stuff in here. Laptop, iPads, pencil, pens, wallets, has all the security that is needed in here. Also the fact that it's like anti-scratch as well is pretty awesome. And definitely having that USB option is pretty cool as well. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the little quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have